We are at Payne's Prairie Preserve State Park. This is July 2025, and this is our site, Site 6. Site 7. Site 8. It's very quiet here at this park. Site 9. You can see the campers behind them over there. Site 10. And down this little road is Site 11. Back on the main road, we have Site 12. Right across the street from Site 12 is Site 13. Site 14. There's the campground host. Site 15 is the host. Site 16. '17, right next to 16.
How are you?
Hi. Across from 17 are the restrooms. This is the only set of restrooms with the sink. Outside sink. We have Site 18 here. Site 18. Next up is the trail to the day use area, and of course for campers, right next to 18, or kind of. It comes after 18, it's not right next to it. Campsites 19 through 22 are for tents. Parking right in front here.
Looks like it's got electric.
Well, how about that? Site 19. Okay. Got regular plugs. Water. 20's back there. Site 21. Site 22. Next round of tent camping is 23 through 26. Campsite 23. Campsite 24. Campsite 25. Campsite 26. That was 25 back there. Campsite 27. Campsite 28. There's a little parking right there. Campsite 29. Campsite 30. Campsite 31. Site 32. Site 33. Site 34. Site 35. Site 36. Yay. Site 37, right across from 36. Site 38. Site 38. Site 39, concrete with the sidewalk to the bathhouse. It's the first bathhouse you find in the loop. Site 40. Site 41. Site 42. That's a nice one. Site 43, across from 42. Site 44. Site 45. Site 46. Site 47. Site 48. Site 49. Site 50. At the dump station are the garbage cans, one for short people and one for tall people. Right here also are all sorts of recycling. The dump station. Payne's Prairie Preserve State Park. Site 1. Site 2, across from Site 1. Site 3 is the campground host, who we just talked to. He's really friendly. Site 4, right across from the bathhouse, the first bathhouse. Site 5, right next to the bathhouse. Back to Site 6, our site.
Okay, this is out the back of our site. And way over there is the lot next door. There are smelly toes. There are smelly toes. was just doing her "Oh Jane" thing.
This is Jane.
Oh, me? I'm on television?
Jane, you're on TV.
Okay.
Okay, we're taking the path down to the public use area and boat dock launch area. Alright, that's the trail coming from the campground. The first thing you run into is the playground. And we got 3 picnic tables. And a nice big parking lot. That's bathrooms down there. And we will continue. Alright, there's a couple of pavilions. A nice big grilling station. And there's another pavilion with the bathrooms over there. This is a fairly new amphitheater. And coming out on some wind, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Campfire amphitheater. It's really nice. Alright, that's the road to get back here. And this is the road that goes back to the canoe launch. Okay, we're down here at the water. This is what you get to back your boat up in. Like a couple nice houses over there. And over there is 441. That's where the noise is coming from. Alright, this is the fishing pier. I believe it's on the map, or called that. Nice little boardwalk. That goes down to another part of the park. God, this is just really so nice. Hopefully the wind's not tearing us apart right now. Okay, observation tower near the visitor center. Alright, I'm going to the top. Miss Millie Toes is gonna sit down here. Alright, platform number 1. Yeah, when we were in the visitor center, we could see a couple bison out there. And now, gotta go to the top. Alright, dear.
Okay, good luck. Have fun.
Oh, yeah.
Don't drop the camera.
Yeah. Can't tell what I'm shooting. Alright, let's continue.
Oh, yeah. Remember after you take the 4 on? We go like that, like that. I got it, it's really nice. Oh, I never thought about that.
Howdy. Can you see him from up here?
Nah. We're just trying to figure out how big this actually is.
How tall?
No, just like this entire area.
Oh, I think it's like over 3,000 square miles or something. It's huge.
Yeah.
Okay, going down.